Shannon's door. She has a squash stick out of her door, and we don't understand why she as a doorknob. It's look, it's a squash, and you can actually pull it. Look at that, and you can get in her closet. See. Oh, this is the other side, which looks kind of disturbing, but you can close her door, and you look, you can open it and get in her closet. See, it's a doorknob. She's got a squash doorknob. This is really neat. I wish I had one. What'd you say? It's a new invention. This is a squash doorknob.
Everyone's trying their doorknobs out for squash.
You look, it works really good. So you can pull it and look at the other side, Audrey. You can actually take it and try to close it. I'm trying to close it. Ooh, this is a nice doorknob. Woo! That really excites me. I better close it. Okay, this is Shannon's doorknob.